everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about turnips, not turnip greens, but the root vegetable turnips. And I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with turnips. So if you're looking for some different recipe ideas or something a little different to do with the turnips that you have, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds. We have almonds, bacon, beef, chickpeas, eggs, lentils, peas, pecans, pine nuts, poppy seeds, pork, poultry, salmon and other seafood, sesame seeds, tofu, and walnuts. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that go well with turnips includes beets, broccoli, broccoli raw, cabbage, carrots, celery, celery root, chives, garlic, ginger, greens like turnip greens, kale, kohlrabi, leeks, mushrooms, onions, parsnips, potatoes, radishes, root vegetables in general, rutabagas, squash as in winter squash, sweet potatoes, tomatoes, and watercress. In the way of fruits that pair well with turnips, we have apples, apple cider, apricots, especially dried apricots, citrus zest in particular, lemon, the juice and the zest, orange, the juice and the zest, pears, and pumpkin. In the way of grains and grain products, there's bread, breadcrumbs, couscous, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category, there's butter and cheese, especially blue cheese, cheddar, gorgonzola, Gouda, Gruyere, and Parmesan cheeses. And then there's cream cheese, ghee, mascarpone, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's honey, maple syrup, miso, mustard as in prepared mustard, oil like grapeseed oil, nut oil of any type, olive oil, sunflower seed oil, and walnut oil, and soy sauce, stock, sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, red wine vinegar, rice, sherry, and white wine vinegars, and then also wine, which would include red wine and sherry. I do hope this helps. Take care. Bye for now.